So it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we have met around 20 people for the first Infosyon network meeting in one of the teams here in the north of Spain, in Bilbao. We call it Agora Sistémica, and we have been 5 people who are usually meeting there, but we have invited another 15 people or so. And we have been working today about teams, networks, communities, and groups of activities in general. We have made actually 2 rounds. In the first round, we have been chatting about the principles of these 4 kinds of groups, and then we have distributed ourselves into new teams, and these teams have produced or designed for the rest of the group that we have met today 3 activities that we have shared and made together. So when we have been studying or researching on how teams, networks, communities and groups develop, the point was actually to see how the transitions happen between each of them. So what happens that a community wants to become a team, and for that we say that probably once there is a task, this community or this group becomes a team. What happens when there are people who want to be in different degrees of distance or activity, then it can become a network. So how does a group change or become a network, or a team become a community, and so on? And how the different elements, identity, exclusions or inclusions, the task and so on, have an influence to enable these changes or these transitions between these 4 types of groups. For that we have made several constellations, a lot of systemic work, and we have actually had some debate about the things we see or we understand better or more influential than others on these changes. The methodology we have used to design and develop this meeting has not been that a group of people have actually designed and proposed to the attending people a series of activities. On the contrary, we have told the people that we should design together and create together the day and the activities of the day. We had a proposal about an issue, but how to reach it, what was actually the point to discover, or the research interest, was up to the people who have attended and to their interests. And this is part of the way we want to work and to create these international networks to develop systems.
A mí me viene la palabra colaboración que ha salido durante la sesión, ¿no? O sea, hay una colaboración que es innata a nosotros, yo creo. O sea, es algo con lo que nos conectamos de una manera innata. Entonces,
yo sí tendría que quedarme con algo, es que aunque todos hemos hablado de redes, grupos y tal, y aquí había personas que era la primera vez que estaban en este foro, se ha sacado mucha riqueza, porque las constelaciones es lo que tienen, ¿no? Es como un sentir, como una sabiduría no tan racional, sino que... Y me quedo con eso. Y con muchas cosas que me las llevo para que calen y para que... O sea, es como un rompecabezas que está por montar, pero que veo que tengo fichas y que lo que va a salir va a ser chulo, ¿no?
So we are aware that today in Peru there was another similar meeting with Julio, one of our colleagues from Infosyon, with another group of people working on constellations or systemic work and so on. And the point of our meeting and this other meeting in Peru is actually to create this network of professionals working on systemic works. And in May we will try to arrange another meeting with more networks, more places in Peru, in Spain, in Germany, in other places, where we will actually, all of these groups, we will all work on the same issue, and we will have times of connections where we will share, like Spain and Peru and Germany, what we are doing or we want to become as an international team of professionals dedicated to the systemic work.
Pues me viene red, ¿no? Como una red en que esto no sabes las dimensiones que tiene, pero todos estamos interconectados y sí que es una energía que sí que creo que se pueda sentir, que se siente aquí, ¿no?
Me llama mucho la atención que los grupos han puesto tanto énfasis en el tema de salir